Hi, this is Jana. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are outside in the outdoor kitchen and we are making tumble basket
Chicken wing.
chicken wings. Couldn't tell. Tumble basket. I'm telling you what, we've had this basket for probably 5 or 6 years. Now 7 years, and it is just an amazing basket, and you'll see that in just a minute. I've got my chicken wings here, and as you saw, I just had dabbled them off with paper towels to dry them off on both sides. And I'm going to get rid of, we have a clean table here, don't worry. And I
All
had
squeaky
some
clean.
all squeaky clean, and I'm getting rid of my paper towels. Oop, man overboard.
It's gonna get cooked. I
Uh-huh.
said it's going to get cooked.
We're going to get cooking here in a second. But it's very important that you get the water and moisture as much as you can off of these wings, okay? And so I let them set on the paper towels to drain for just a few minutes. There we go. And then double check your chicken wings for double check your chicken wings for any feathers, because you know that's a natural part of a chicken wing is a feather, and sometimes depending upon the batch that you get there might be some pin feathers or even longer pin feathers. And so anyway, I always kind of inspect them. All right, so I've got some spray olive oil, but you don't have to use spray. I use avocado oil. I use olive oil. You can just put them in a bowl and dredge them in some olive oil too, or avocado oil, or your favorite oil. And this just helps the seasonings to stick to them. Okay. There we go. Now I'm going to try and spread them out a little bit. So I'm going to get ready to season. Oh, there's a pin feather that I missed. There we go. You can see them easily. All right, so as soon as you get them sprayed down, then pick your favorite seasoning. Ours is lemon pepper, so you can use salt and pepper. You can use whatever your favorite seasoning is. I've got that one. That's one of our favorites, the Badia. And then the other one is kind of a newer brand the last couple of years is Kinder's.
Mm-hmm.
And so this one's open, I guess.
Let me get it for you.
There we go. And so I season them very well on all sides. Whatever you like. If you want to put Tony's on there, you want to just put salt and pepper on. We like our dry rub wings.
It's
And
really
do
good.
salt and pepper if you want, and then I flip them over. And use salt and pepper if you want to do them buffalo style. And as soon as they come off, have your Frank's hot sauce and butter in a bowl, melted butter in a bowl, and immediately go from the basket, and you can season them with your buffalo sauce if you like yours wet. But we make them like this, and then I know Erin has her little dish of her Frank's hot sauce, and she just dunks hers right on in and takes a bite.
It's very good.
And so you can have your, now while these are cooking on the grill, you can go ahead and make your favorite dips or blue cheese dip, whatever you like, okay? Whatever your family likes. Ranch, our family is more of a ranch family. I just like mine plain old, just like this. I'm going to put a little more oil on them because I want my seasoning to stay on. And this isn't overly, this Badia, it's not overly salty. That's why I can do it like this. That's why I like it. But it's lemony and garlicky. There, just like that. So, all right, now,
The basket.
whoopsie daisy, oop-a-daisy, as we say. Get this out of the way. This is our tumble basket.
Hold on one second. Got to tilt up.
This is the tumble basket. And it's a hinged basket, comes apart. See, 2 parts. I'm going to keep it together for just a second here. And then I take my glove was caught on my bracelet. And I've got some Pam here, nonstick spray. And this goes right in the dishwasher when we're done. Oh my gosh, it comes out looking brand new every
We'll
time.
show you the before and after.
Yeah, this is stainless steel, so it hasn't rusted or anything. That's important because some of the metals out there, as you know, will rust. And this one has been amazing. And so I will put this one in. See, it's got two little paddles here, and that helps the wings to tumble around in the basket. So I put some over in here. I put some over in here. It is gorgeous out. It is like 80 degrees, low humidity, Mother's Day weekend right now. And this is, I love chicken wings.
Celebrating
and so
Mama.
My husband's always like, what do you want to do? What do you want to do? And like, let's just stay home. It's so good. And it's affordable.
Cheaper than going out to a fancy restaurant.
And not being even that happy with it. All right, I'm going to take that glove off because I see I could use a little bit more on a couple of those. There we go. So now all you have to do is put your hinges together, bring it around, and then there's just like suitcase buckles on this side. Just like that. Just buckle it up. And we'll be right back, and we're going to pop these on the grill. All right, we are back. I have my temperature. My husband has a temperature up to 500 degrees. It'll cool down here in a second. Mine has a broiler attachment in the back, but that doesn't make any grill that you have. And whatever your grill's rotisserie, you can buy a rotisserie for your grill at like Lowe's. There we go. And it just fits in that other end like that. Okay, we are back. I put it on our rotisserie. You can see this box over here. That's a rotisserie box. You can buy for whatever grill yours is. Every grill's different. Even if you have a green egg, I know some of them have rotisseries available. But whatever it is, in my Amazon store and in my YouTube store, I have this basket that's stainless steel. And like I said, we've used it for 5, 6, 7 years now, and it never, ever has rusted, and we use it a lot. But the rings are going to tumble in there. My husband has a pan underneath ours because our flame is actually in the back on this grill, but it doesn't matter. You can just have it over your regular grill. See, it lifts it up far enough because those rectangular tumble baskets, you have to remove the grates. But this one, with having the round basket, you don't have to remove your grill grate. So it's really nice. And so the last I looked, it's like $30-some in that area, depending upon which one you get for the rotisserie. And then, of course, buying the grill basket. But you can use that for lots of different things, but I've only ever used it for wings. And you will see that they come out perfectly golden every single solitary time. And so
In her YouTube store, there may be several like little stores because we can only put 30 items in each one. So if you may see several different ones, you just have to scroll through them. So
yep. And so anyway, she'll put a link below in the video. But
yeah.
anyway, I'm going to close the lid here so that it can do its magic. And we will be back in about 30 minutes to 40 minutes it's going to take at 450 degrees. All right, time to check our wings.
I zoomed in a little bit on it.
I'm going to take them off. We'll be to the table in 1 minute. Okay, we are back with our wings, our tumble wings. And so I am opening up our basket here. These little gloves. It's hard to grip. Just a second here. There we go. They're too big, but this is too hot to touch. I'm not touching it with my hands. I don't care if it takes a second here. There we go. There are our delicious crispy wings. Just shake them on out.
Shaky, shaky.
Look at that. How even of browning we get on our wings. And they are crispy too. I'm telling you what, I'm just going to remind myself not to touch that at all. Put my gloves on it. And so these are beautiful and crispy. I mean, I don't know that you can hear them with our noise canceling headphones here.
Microphone.
Huh?
You said headphones.
I always say headphones because my husband has noise canceling headphones. So I always say my microphone is a headphone, but it's not. So anyway, this is as easy as it is. These are lemon pepper flavored. And the best part is we're going to take a video. Aaron, zoom in on this basket.
Okay.
Of how dirty it is, you know, from the lemon and the chicken drippings. And we're going to stick that in our dishwasher. And you're going to see how beautiful that it comes out. I don't have to scrub on it. I don't have to do anything.
Bailey and Jack say hi.
Bailey and Jack are licking their lips. So we'll be back after the baskets come out of the dishwasher. Okay, we're back and getting ready for bed tonight, but the dishwasher is done. And I just wanted to show you as these come out of the dishwasher. Look at this. They come out perfectly clean. So they're so easy to clean up. And like I said, they have not rusted. And we've had these, what, Dad, 6, 7, 8 years? And we use them often. So I highly recommend this brand because there are other brands out there. But this one has the flippers and it's not round and it's octagon or whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anyway, and so it helps to tumble instead of just being round, that those edges help to tumble it. So anyway, that will be in my Amazon store and in my YouTube store. So if you're looking for it, you just have to have you can buy a universal rotisserie kit and you just have to do this and it'll fit right on there. It's a universal fit. So anyway, thank you for stopping by Jana's Kitchen and be sure to look in the stores that I have so you can order them. Thank you.